Hello, I'm back with my cold brewed coffee. Please check the link above on how to make this cold brewed coffee. So again, depending on how strong or how mild your coffee is, the recipe that I'm going to show you today might need to be adjusted a little bit. As promised, I'm going to show you how to make iced Americano, iced cafe latte, and iced mocha using cold brewed coffee. We're going to use a 16-ounce cup. So I'm going to use this mason jar, which is equivalent to a 16-ounce cup. First, because cold brewed coffee is diluted with water, you will need a little bit more than 2 shots. Let's start with the iced Americano. For today, I'm going to use our milk frother again to make that frothy top instead of using the shaker or using our mason jar to shake it. I'm going to cheat a little bit and use my favorite milk frother. So for iced Americano, what we need 3 ounces of brewed coffee, and then we're going to use 1.5 ounce of our golden sugar syrup. Now the sweetness will depend on how you like it to be. For most of those that drink Americano, they really don't like it to be too sweet. So I would use 1.5 for commercial purpose, but for now I'm going to use 1 ounce of golden sugar syrup. And then I'm going to use the milk frother to make a frothy top. So notice that I'm using a larger measuring cup today because I intend to froth my drinks in here. There you go. So you get a really frothy Americano. Fill your cup to the top with ice. Iced Americano done. Next, we're going to make iced cafe latte using our cold brewed coffee. For this, we are going to use 4 ounces of brewed coffee. Because this is going to be with milk, you want it to be stronger. Otherwise, the coffee will be diluted with milk. So 4 ounces of brewed coffee, and then we're going to put 1 ounce of condensed milk. Now remember, if you're doing this in a milk tea or coffee shop, it's better to pre-mix your condensed milk and evaporated milk so that it will be faster for you to serve your customers. So 1 ounce of condensed milk and another 1 ounce of evaporated milk. Because this is a latte, you'd like it to be more milky. So 1 ounce of evaporated milk. For commercial purpose, you can add half an ounce of sugar syrup. Now it really depends again on how sweet you want your drink to be, but this will just give it that balance. Not too much condensed milk, otherwise the balance between the milk and the coffee will not be there. So let's put half an ounce of sugar syrup, and then let's do the frothing. If you're going to serve this with sinkers like tapioca pearls or grass jelly or cognac pearls, you can put them at the bottom before you pour your drink over. Let's put ice here. So again, fill your cup with ice to the top, and let's pour our latte over. There you go, your iced cold brewed cafe latte. Finally, for our iced black mocha, it's very similar. We're going to use 4 ounces of brewed coffee again. This is iced mocha, so 4 ounces, 2, 4. This time, we're only going to use half an ounce of condensed milk. Half an ounce of condensed milk and also half an ounce of evaporated milk. So just half and half because we're going to add chocolate. Now you will notice that I did not use, or I'm not using non-dairy creamer for this drinks because it's a cold brewed coffee. And if you use non-dairy creamer, chances are it won't fully dissolve in a cold drink. So everything that we use here will be liquid based. That means for our chocolate flavor, for the mocha, we're going to use chocolate syrup. And we need 1 ounce of chocolate syrup. There you go, give it a little bit of a stir. And then let's give it a little bit of a froth. It's about there. You can always add more ice if it's not full. There you go, it is not full, so we're going to add a little bit more ice. There you have your iced mocha. 3 coffee drinks using cold brewed coffee. For the moment of truth, let's give them a try. Cheers. Perfect. There's no bitterness and the sugar syrup just balances the taste of the coffee. Really refreshing. Now for our latte. Nice and mild. It's not very strong coffee, but you can taste the coffee. And for my favorite, mocha. That is delicious. Simple recipe that you can easily follow at home or in your milk tea or coffee shop. Give this a try and let me know how it goes. Don't forget to click the subscribe button below for more of these videos. In the meantime, thank you for watching and ciao for now.